the kitty. It's a kitty. Hi guys, it's me, Lyric6, and today, I don't know if you see the cat, but there's a cat over there. Hold up, I'm gonna go sneak over. Please don't run away. I really love cats. Okay, and the cat ran away. Thank you. Guys, I love cats. Like, when I mean love, I mean love. Like, you don't have to take them on walks. That's the only part I like about them. And I'm sometimes lazy, so they can sleep on your lap. They're very soft. You can pet them while they're sleeping. That's why I like cats. Cats are pretty. I said pretty good if my video cut off. Sorry, I have to edit this clip in, but yeah guys, I just wanted to show you about that cat. It just came out. I'll show you where it came out. It came out from here. I've never seen it. Huh? Oh. I'm hearing weird noises. This is weird. Yeah, look at that. The sun. Yeah. That's where I live. Can you see it? Because that's where I live. Okay, I'm looking off my camera. That's where I live. Yeah. Not actually. Yeah, so. Yeah, that's where I live. I live in there. That's where I live. No, there's actually spiders. I do not like spiders. There's actually spiders in that trash can. Yay, muddy puddles. Yay, edited Peppa Pig episode. I'm gonna edit one later. Hi. Look at all these. Happy Pine Cones Day. Yeah, this is actually a pine cone, by the way. Woo. Die! This pine cone won't die! Die! Pine cone, you need to die. I'm not touching you. There's stuff on my hand. Hold up. Yeah, now I'm on. Muddy puddles. Shut up! I swear if these birds don't.